Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on Uber. You click on settings. So here you can click on settings. Then you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Uber app and you can click here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store, you can search about Uber app. If you'll find updates, then you can update your app as you see here. So please don't forget to support us.